Namaskar, traders. Neena here, your host from Ajayasthramani Guru. Today, on the 10th of June 2024, we are dissecting the dramatic week in the cotton market, which has seen prices tumble amidst a whirlwind of economic forces. Cotton, a commodity known for its resilience, began the month of June with a glimmer of hope. Early week gains hinted at a potential upswing, but that optimism proved fleeting. A surprisingly robust U.S. jobs report, released on Friday, sent the dollar soaring to new heights. This sudden surge in the dollar's value immediately made cotton, priced in dollars, a more expensive proposition for international buyers. The result? A sharp sell-off that erased the week's earlier gains and plunged the market into a sea of red. Let's take a closer look at the damage. ICE July cotton futures, a key benchmark, plummeted 160 points to close the week at 73.84 cents per pound. That's a significant drop, especially considering the initial upward momentum. The December contract, reflecting expectations for later in the year, didn't fare much better, falling to 72.89 cents. New crop December futures, a gauge of the market's sentiment towards the upcoming harvest, suffered an even steeper decline of 228 points for the week. For the July contract, despite the early optimism, the week ended with a disheartening 3.03% loss. This dramatic slide below the 70-cent threshold wasn't without consequences. It triggered a price limit reduction to 3 cents per pound, a move designed to curb excessive volatility but one that also underscored the market's nervousness. But the story doesn't end there. While cotton was reeling, crude oil prices were on the retreat. This is significant because lower crude prices make polyester, a major competitor to cotton, more affordable. The resulting shift in demand offered some relief to cotton's downward spiral. Meanwhile, back on the farm, the USDA's weekly crop progress report painted a mixed picture. 70% of the US cotton crop is now planted, aligning perfectly with the historical average. The overall condition of the crop improved slightly, but major cotton-producing states like Texas and Georgia saw their ratings decline, raising concerns about potential yield losses. On the global stage, the USDA is forecasting a 5% increase in worldwide cotton production for the next season, thanks to booming output in Brazil and the US. This is expected to offset declines in China and India, keeping the global supply-demand balance relatively stable. So, what does the future hold for cotton? The market is clearly on shaky ground, with the powerful dollar and the specter of robust US economic growth looming large. Here's what to watch. The dollar's trajectory will remain a pivotal factor. Continued strength could further pressure cotton prices. Weather patterns in key growing regions will be critical. Any adverse conditions could send prices higher. Global demand fluctuations, driven by economic factors and consumer preferences, will also play a role. Remember, this is just a snapshot of a complex and ever-evolving market. Always conduct your own thorough research and analysis before making any trading decisions. If you found this update informative, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Ajayasthramani Guru for more in-depth market analysis. Until next time, happy trading.